Hello viewers, and welcome to Smart Racer channel.
Hi viewers, and welcome to new video after a long time. In this video I will show you results of installing cheapest lowering springs on market for the Roadster. Please note that this video is not full tutorial, and video how to change your springs can be found on my channel. Here you can see current state of the car, which is on standard springs. Today I am installing springs from Technix from Germany. They are supposed to lower the car for 35 mm. There is also version with 25 mm. These ones are red color and coming with TÜV certificate. In order to have better view how much car height change, let's measure distance between body panel and tire. So far you can see there is around 65 mm gap at front. As I said before, this is not full tutorial, as I already made one with Eibach springs and it can be found on my channel. Here is like a time-lapse video showing you installation at front and difference at the end. One thing that I notice when I place springs next to each other is that new spring from Technix is longer and has more turns. Here you can see on one side how much car drop, but to have better idea, let's measure it. As you can see, we have now height of 35 mm, which is 30 mm less than original. That was right after installation, and I can tell you that few days later, car dropped like 10 mm more, which is more than declared by manufacturer. Now question, how is the ride and what are benefits of doing this? I can say that comparing with Eibach, which are lowering car by 25 mm, these are pretty harsh to drive, and only benefit what you will get is less body roll, which means better cornering. That is what we are looking for, in fact, if we are installing lowering springs, and also better looking car. At the end you can see height comparison right after installation, a few pictures taken with these springs. Hope you will find this helpful, comment down which springs you use. In next video I will bring you short story from track day with Roadster. Until then, drive safe and enjoy.